Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this device. Basically, how quickly the screen will turn off after you stop using it. Okay, so first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smartband, and we can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called display and tap on it. Now scroll all the way down, find the option called advanced and tap on it, and here select the option called auto or sleep, this one. And now you should see a list of durations, and we have 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, and auto. I'm gonna select, for example, 10 seconds, then tap on OK to confirm. Then tap on the check mark to confirm. As you can see, it changed to the 10 seconds, so now my screen will turn off automatically after 10 seconds of an activity. So let's wait a couple more seconds, and here we have it. It turned off. And once you're done, of course, changing your settings, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.